Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by grounding the work in your research question so you analyze what matters. First, verify variables and run quick quality checks, remove duplicates and handle missing values. Next, compute descriptive statistics and make simple plots to see distributions. Once done, document decisions and keep raw copies. This preserves traceability. Make sure to flag obvious outliers, but do not drop them without reason. This early focus speeds later interpretation and prevents wasted effort on flawed inputs. You now run the core analyses and explain why each method fits the question. Choose models that align with variable types and design, then test assumptions like normality and homoscedasticity. If assumptions fail, switch to robust or non-parametric approaches. Calculate effect sizes and 95% confidence intervals to convey magnitude and precision. Once done, run sensitivity analyses and subgroup checks to assess stability. Make sure to record code, seeds, and parameter choices so results are reproducible and defensible. You finish by translating results into answers that address the research question. Say what changed, by how much, and why it matters. Contrast findings versus expectations and quantify uncertainty. Link effect sizes to practical thresholds. Then, explicitly discuss limitations and plausible alternative explanations. Once done, produce concise takeaways, clear figures, and a reproducible appendix with code and data notes. Troubleshooting tip: if results contradict expectations, recheck data preprocessing and model assumptions first. Errors often lie there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.